Hello student, today I will teach to you the next point in the fifth chapter is the concentration of acid and base. In the last lecture we have studied the definitions of acid and base according to Arrhenius theory and old concept also. You know the definition of acid, the substance which having the sour taste and in its aqueous solution blue litmus turns to red are called acid according to old concept, and according to Arrhenius theory the substance which gives the hydrogen ion in the water are called acid. And what is the base? The substance which have a bitter taste and soapy to touch or which gives the hydroxide in the water are called base. But what is by concentration of acid? You know that whenever acid or base is dissolved in water, it gives the acid solution or base solution. First try to understand what is by solution. Solution means the mixture, homogeneous mixture. The homogeneous mixtures of solute plus solvent are called solution. For example, take the half cup of water and add the sugar in the water to form a sugar solution. In this example, sugar is a solute and water is a solvent. Similarly, make the solutions of acid or base. Take the one example of acid. For example, if you take the two beaker A and B beaker, take these two beakers and take the first 5 ml of water in A beaker. 5 ml H2O is taken in the A beaker and 10 ml H2O is taken in the B beaker. 5 ml water is taken in A beaker and 10 ml water is taken in a B beaker. Add the acidic substance like a lemon juice. 2 ml of lemon juice is added in the A beaker as well as 2 ml of lemon juice added in the B beaker. It form a lemon solution. काय केलं आपण दोन चंचुपात्र घेतली A आणि B. A या चंचुपात्रामध्ये आपण काय केलं 5 ml पाणी घेतलं आणि B चंचुपात्रामध्ये 10 ml पाणी घेतलं. दोन्ही चंचुपात्रामध्ये 2-2 ml लिंबाचा रस टाकला आणि या दोन्हीची चव पाहिजे. देन टेक द टेस्ट ऑफ बोथ द सोल्युशन्स A and B which having the more sour taste. A have a more sour taste than the B. B have a less sour taste. Why? का बरं याची जास्त आंबट चव असली याची आणि बीची का कमी असेल? कारण ए मध्ये पाणी कमी आहे, बी मध्ये पाणी जास्त आहे. A having a less water and B having the more water. It means that in A solution contain the large quantity of solute, in other word, and B contain the less quantity of solute. More proportion of solute present in A and less proportion of solute present in B. That proportion is known as the concentration. Solution means the homogeneous mixtures of solute and solvent are called solution, and proportion of solute in a solvent are called concentration. Therefore, concentration is equal to proportion of solute in a definite quantity of solvent are called concentration. On the basis of the proportion, the concentration of solution is divided into two types. Concentration of solution divided into two types. First is the concentrated solution and second one is the dilute solution. काय पाहिलं आपण? संहती म्हणजे काय? द्रावकामध्ये असलेल्या द्रव्याच्या प्रमाणाला त्या द्रावणाची संहती असे म्हणतात. या द्रव्याच्या प्रमाणावरून संहतीचे दोन प्रकार पडतात, सहज द्रावण आणि विरल द्रावण. कॉन्सन्ट्रेटेड सोल्युशन अँड डायल्यूट सोल्युशन. सहज द्रावण कशाला म्हणायचं? ज्याच्यामध्ये मोर प्रोपोर्शन का असेल सोल्यूट, त्याला काय म्हणायचं? कॉन्सन्ट्रेटेड. अँड लेस proportion of solute is called as the dilute solution. The solution which contain the more proportion of solute are called concentrated solution, and the solution which contain the less proportion of solute are called dilute solution. And what is the unit of this concentration? Concentration unit have mainly concentrated mainly measured in two units. First is the gram per liter, first unit, and second one is the moles per liter. Gram per liter means number of grams of solute dissolved in 1 liter are called grams per liter, and number of moles of substance dissolved in 1 liter are called molarity. It is also called as the molarity. Molarity means number of moles of substance dissolved in 1 liter are called molarity. Remember one important point, the molarity of a solution generally written in the square bracket. For example, molarity of NaCl solution is equal to 1. How do you read this symbol? Molarity of NaCl is equal to 1 means 1 mole of NaCl dissolved in 1 liter. This is the meaning of this symbol. Molarity denoted in a square bracket. Are you understand? Question will be asked in the examination. Define solution, define concentration of solution, or what is the concentration of solution, how are they classified, or define the concentrated solution, or define the dilute solution, or what is the unit of the concentration of solution. I understand? Such type of question will be asked in the examination. Thank you.